Hi all, my name is Raj from RCE. Today we're going to see how to find all connected Wi-Fi SSID's password in our PC. What is the security key? What is the password? So all can be find out. Let us do one by one. First, open command prompt by typing cmd as an administrator. Once you open the command prompt as an administrator, go to PowerShell. Command to go to PowerShell is netsh. Now first of all, we need to see how many wireless SSIDs or network connected with our PC. So to check wireless network, type wlan show profile. These many profiles are connected with my PC, or I have ever connected these many wireless network with my PCs. Now next thing is that suppose I take the first user profile A1 or SSID A1 and find out what is the security and password with this profile. Type the command wlan show profile A1. I want to see this profile with key equal to clear. Now let us see. A command. After that, it opens up a profile. If you see that name of profile A1, go below further, connectivity setting, it shows that what is the SSID name. After that, you will see most important thing, security settings. It has the authentication type WPA2-personal or WPA2-PSK. That is what it is written in the mobile. Security type present. Key content, which is a password, capital GREN2ME. So this is the password which WLAN has, that A1. If I want to export or see all the Wi-Fi passwords in one go, what we can do, we can export it to the file and then open it either on Notepad or on any browser. So to export all the keys and password, just type wlan export profile folder where we need to export C:\Wi-Fi. You can make any other folder, one space, key equal to clear. Now it exported all Wi-Fi network to XML format, which can be seen either on Notepad, Notepad Plus, or any of the Explorer under the folder C:\Wi-Fi, which we have given the path in our command. Let me go back to my command again. We have given the path C:\Wi-Fi and it has copied everything into A1 and different files. I'm going to the folder Wi-Fi C:\Wi-Fi folder as it is displaying. Now these are all the possible files of individual SSIDs. Let us open the first one. Since it is an XML file, it will open in Internet Explorer or Chrome. You can also open it in Notepad. Name A1, SSID name is also A1. Security, if you see, authentication WPA2PSK. Key type is passphrase and key is green2me. This is the way you can see all possible Wi-Fi passwords in your PC and laptop. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe our channel. We will present lot of good videos of similar type. Thanks for today. Have a nice day.